Hey guys, I'm Brian. Welcome to 5B's Garage. Today we're going to take a look at this 32-year-old tractor I got free on Craigslist. I don't know much about her. The gentleman I got it from off of Craigslist indicated it was his father's lawn tractor. His father hadn't used it in quite a few years due to health reasons, and it's been sitting in his garage. Looks like the last time she was serviced was maybe back in 2016. This tire here is not holding air. We'll have to look at that. Maybe put a tube in it. It's got some battle scars on the hood. Little debris, oily debris down below. I don't know if she turns over. I don't know anything about her. What do you say we jump in, try to breathe new life into her? Check the fuel tank here. Fuel tank is empty, nice and dry. Nothing in there. Oil looks pretty clean on the low side, but it's okay. Should be enough. See, there's the battery. And see, this wing nut is here for the hold down, but this one's missing. The bolt is down below. I'll have to fish that out. Here's the bolt. We'll put that back in when we get another wing nut. Let's see if we can get her turned over by using a car to jump start her. Let's see if we can put a little bit of fuel in her, see if she'll run. That should be enough for now. Might take a little bit of cranking, but we'll see what we can do. Carburetor, gave it a nice ultrasonic bath, cleaned everything up. Got a new bowl gasket, and a new intake gasket here. battery that was in here was actually the wrong kind. It was a U1. This model actually needs a U1R because the positive and negative are reversed on this battery. See, that's why the previous owner had remarked the positive and negative on this cover, because he used the wrong. I didn't get the other hold down, so we'll take care of that at a later time. Now, let me throw some gas in the tank. Clean her up a little bit. I don't know if I'm going to use her for cutting grass, but my plan is, she also came with a plow. I'll show you that in a later video. My plan is to put the plow on and use it for plowing snow in the winter. Alright guys, there you go. A 32-year-old lawn tractor I got for free. All I did was clean the carburetor, replace a couple of fuel lines, add a battery. She runs. She's got some other things that need to be taken care of, like this tire that's not holding air. We'll look at that in a future episode. And right over here on these links, there's some bushings missing. You see that right there? See how that's wiggling? Right in here. Some plastic bushings. We'll replace those on another episode. As well as clean her up. We'll check if the deck is working. We'll put on the snow plow she came with. Give her a little cleaning. It's a little dirty down in there. Clean her up a bit. Alright, if you like this video, please hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to see future videos. Thanks guys for joining me on 5B's Garage.